Convert 332 base 5 to base 10. Solution. We have 332 base 5. The next thing to do is to assign values from the back. 0, then the next number, 1, 2. Now the next thing for us is to write out the expanding form. And that will be what? 3 times 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 times 5 raised to the power of what? 1. Then we have plus 2 times 5 raised to the power what? 0. Now, this is going to be 3 times what? 5 raised to the power of 2. What do we have? 25. Plus 3 times, what is 5 raised to the power 1? 5. Plus 2 times what? 5 raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. Then 3 times 25 is what? 75. Plus 3 times 5, what do we have? 15. Then plus 2. Now we can now add together. 75 plus 15, that is 90. Then 90 plus 2, what do we have? 92. Base 10. That is the answer to the question.